Welcome to Lucky English for Beginners. Navigating an airport can feel overwhelming, but with the right phrases, you can move through the terminal with ease. Whether you are checking in, going through security, or waiting for your flight, these 300 sentences will help you communicate clearly and confidently. Check-in and baggage. Could you please direct me to the check-in counter for my airline? I have an international flight departing at 2 o'clock this afternoon. Can I please see your passport and flight booking confirmation? How many pieces of luggage are you checking in today? My suitcase is slightly overweight. Can I pay the extra fee? Please place your carry-on bag on the scale for weighing. I would prefer a window seat if there is one available. Is my flight currently on time or has it been delayed? Could you please attach a fragile sticker to my suitcase? I am traveling with a small pet in a carrier today. Here is my boarding pass for the flight to London. Where can I find the oversized baggage drop-off area? Is there a priority lane for frequent flyer members? Please make sure my luggage is tagged to the final destination. I am checking in online. Can I print my tags here? Security and immigration. Please remove your jacket and place your laptop in the tray. Do I need to take off my shoes before walking through? Please empty your pockets and put everything in the plastic bin. I have a bottle of water in my bag. Should I throw it away? Please step forward and stand between the yellow footprints. Are you carrying any prohibited items in your carry-on bag? I am traveling for business and will be staying for 5 days. The purpose of my visit is tourism and visiting family. Please look directly at the camera for a quick photograph. Can you please open your bag for a random security check? I am carrying some prescribed medicine for my personal use. Where is the immigration checkpoint for international arrivals? I have nothing to declare at the customs desk today. My visa is stamped on the last page of my passport. The security officer was very professional and efficient today. Finding gates and boarding. Could you please tell me which gate my flight is leaving from? I am looking for gate B12. Is it nearby? The departure board shows that boarding will begin shortly. I have plenty of time to explore the duty-free shops. The airport terminal is very clean and easy to navigate. They are now calling for passengers in boarding group 3. I am ready to board the plane and find my seat. Could you please show me the shortest way to the lounge? The flight attendant greeted everyone with a warm smile. I will keep my boarding pass handy until I reach my seat. There is a long queue forming at the boarding gate. This gate is undergoing a change. Please check the screens. I am heading to the food court to grab a snack. The airport has free Wi-Fi for all departing passengers. My flight is departing from a different terminal across the airport. Flight information and delays. The overhead monitor says that my flight is delayed by an hour. We apologize for the inconvenience caused by the technical delay. Is there a lounge where I can wait for my delayed flight? The airline is offering a meal voucher because of the wait. Has there been any update on the status of flight AZ11? I am concerned that I might miss my connecting flight now. The boarding gate for flight 550 has just been changed. The pilot announced that we are waiting for better weather conditions. Passengers are requested to remain near the boarding area. I will listen carefully for any further announcements from the staff. Arrival and baggage claim. Welcome to the arrival hall. Please follow the signs for baggage claim. My flight landed safely ahead of the scheduled arrival time. I am walking toward the passport control desk to enter the country. Which carousel number should I go to for my suitcase? I cannot seem to find my luggage on the baggage carousel. I need to report a lost or damaged suitcase at the office. The customs officer asked me a few questions about my trip. I am picking up my rental car at the airport kiosk. Is there an airport shuttle bus that goes to the city centre? I am happy to finally arrive and start my long trip. Practical grammar and vocabulary, sentences 66-300. I am waiting at the departure terminal right now. The airport staff provided excellent help during my check-in. I always carry my passport in a secure place. The airplane is parked safely at the boarding bridge. I enjoy looking at the planes from the big window. We should reach the airport 3 hours before departure. The duty-free shop has many interesting local products. I am checking the flight status on my phone. The boarding gate will close 20 minutes before takeoff. I enjoy the excitement of traveling to new places. Please listen to all the safety instructions on board. The cabin crew is very helpful during the flight. I am looking forward to my window seat view. Traveling by air is the fastest way to travel. The airport lounge offers a very comfortable, quiet space. I am heading to the arrivals hall to meet family. The flight was long, but I feel very refreshed. I am searching for a taxi stand outside Terminal 1. The airport signboards make it easy to find directions. I bought a magazine to read during the flight. The security process was much faster than I expected. I am double-checking my bags one last time today. The captain announced that we are starting our descent. I am eager to start my vacation in this city. The airport has many cafes serving hot coffee daily. I will walk quickly to catch my connecting flight. The terminal is very busy during the holiday season. I feel very excited about my upcoming overseas trip. The baggage claim area is located on the ground floor. I am using my mobile boarding pass on my phone. The flight was smooth and very comfortable for everyone. I am glad I arrived at the airport early today. The airport is a massive place with many hallways. I love watching the planes take off and land. Traveling opens my mind to the wide world. I am showing my ticket to the gate agent. The security scanner is very sensitive to metal objects. I need to buy a power adapter for my electronics. The terminal floor is very shiny and clean today. I enjoy the walk to the far departure gate. The flight schedule is updated every few minutes here. I am keeping my liquids in a small clear bag. The airport staff helped me find the right direction. I am very happy with my travel plans today. The plane is ready for the passengers to board. I am sitting in the lounge to wait patiently. The airport has good facilities for all the travelers. I am writing down the gate number in my notebook. Traveling makes me feel very alive and happy. The airport terminal is bustling with so much activity. I am buying some souvenirs before I fly away. The boarding call is very loud and clear now. I am heading toward the gate for my flight. The atmosphere in the airport is very fast-paced today. I am checking my watch to stay on schedule. The airport has many comfortable seats for us wait. I am enjoying a quiet moment before the trip. The flight is going to be a great experience. I am ready to explore a new city soon. The airport is the start of every adventure here. I am checking the luggage tags for my name. The security check is essential for our flight safety. I am glad to have my passport ready now. The airport terminal is very wide and quite long. I enjoy the international vibe of the airport lounge. I am heading to the information desk for help. The departure flight is scheduled to leave on time. I am feeling very confident about my travel plans. The airport staff members wear very neat uniforms today. I love the feeling of being at the airport. The boarding process is very organized and clear today. I am finding my assigned seat on the airplane. The airport provides a great service to all passengers. I am excited to see the world from above. The airport is full of people from many lands. I am keeping my travel documents safe and ready. The security line is moving quickly for all travelers. I enjoy looking at the flight destination board often. The airport terminal has many clean public washrooms now. I am very happy to start my new journey. The plane engines are starting up for the takeoff. I am relaxing and listening to my favorite music. The airport is a very important part of travel. I am looking forward to arriving at my destination. Traveling to new places is my true passion today. I am walking toward the gate for group boarding. The airport terminal is filled with warm morning light. I enjoy the view of the runway from outside. The security officers are doing their job with care. I am very grateful for the helpful flight agents. The airport lounge has drinks and small healthy snacks. I am keeping my phone charged for the flight. The airplane is a very impressive piece of engineering. I am feeling very calm and ready for takeoff. The airport is full of energy and new beginnings. I am checking the gate number on the screen. The security area is brightly lit and very safe. I enjoy the excitement of waiting for my plane. The airport staff greeted me with a kind smile. I am very organized with all my travel items. The plane is descending toward the beautiful green city. I am listening to the captain's final landing update. The airport arrival hall is very spacious and clean. I am looking for the exit to the street. Traveling is the best way to learn about life. I am walking quickly toward the passport control line. The airport is a busy place for many families. I am enjoying the experience of traveling by air. The security officer checked my boarding pass very carefully. I am ready for the long flight ahead today. The airplane is very large and quite fast-moving. I am reading a book while I wait patiently. The airport has many signs to help us navigate. I am feeling very enthusiastic about this new city. The airport is a center of global connections today. I am double-checking my bag for all my items. The security line is efficient and moves very fast. I enjoy the diverse crowd at the international gate. The airport terminal architecture is modern and very nice. I am very satisfied with my comfortable airplane seat. The flight attendant showed me to my correct row. I am looking at the map of the terminal. The airport is a place of many happy reunions. I am traveling with my best friend on holiday. The airport provides a wonderful bridge between two lands. I am checking my email one last time here. The security process ensures everyone has a safe trip. I enjoy the variety of shops in the terminal. The airport floor is shiny and very well maintained. I am very focused on getting to my gate. The plane reached the cruising altitude very smoothly today. I am watching the clouds pass by the window. The airport arrival board is full of many cities. I am looking for my luggage at the claim. Traveling is a wonderful and very educational life gift. I am standing in line at the security checkpoint. The airport terminal is busy with many happy travelers. I enjoy browsing the books at the small shop. The security team keeps all the passengers very safe. I am happy to have all my documents ready. The airplane is preparing for a smooth evening takeoff. I am resting my eyes before the long flight. The airport has many screens to check flight status. I am feeling very adventurous about my coming trip. The airport connects people from all over the world. I am walking toward the gate to board now. The security scanner helps keep the airplane very safe. I enjoy the atmosphere at the busy international terminal. The airport terminal is designed for easy passenger flow. I am very glad to sit in my seat. The cabin crew is ready for the long journey. I am checking my bag for my travel guide. The airport is a place of many big dreams. I am traveling to visit my family this time. The airport creates memories that stay with us forever. I am showing my passport to the gate agent. The security line is moving smoothly for everyone here. I enjoy waiting for my plane in the lounge. The airport building is quite large and very modern. I am ready to start my new travel experience. The plane is taking off into the blue sky. I am listening to the captain's flight path report. The airport arrival hall has signs for local transport. I am searching for my hotel shuttle bus outside. Traveling is a perfect way to expand your horizons. I am passing through the security gates quite fast. The airport is a hub of international travel activity. I enjoy the modern design of the boarding area. The security officers are helpful and very polite today. I am feeling very prepared for my international trip. The airplane cabin is quiet and very nicely lit. I am enjoying the snacks provided on the flight. The airport has a very helpful customer help desk. I am eager to land at my exciting destination. The airport brings different cultures together under one roof. I am checking my boarding pass for seat details. The security area is well marked for all passengers. I enjoy watching the ground crew work the planes. The airport terminal is very organized and very clean. I am very happy to begin my flight today. The plane is cruising high above the beautiful ocean. I am reading my guidebook to plan the stay. The airport arrival hall is very busy and lively. I am walking toward the baggage claim area now. Traveling to new countries is a rewarding life gift. I am presenting my ticket to the airline staff. The airport security check was done very quickly today. I enjoy the duty-free shops in the departure hall. The security staff ensures the safety of all flights. I am holding my passport in my hand now. The airplane is a very safe and fast machine. I am drinking some juice during the flight today. The airport has many comfortable benches for the travelers. I am looking forward to my wonderful city visit. The airport is a place where new stories start. I am verifying the gate number on the app. The security process is very thorough for our safety. I enjoy the view of the runway from afar. The airport terminal is very well laid out today. I am very excited to finally be traveling now. The plane is landing on the runway quite softly. I am packing my headphones into my small bag. The airport arrival hall is easy to walk through. I am finding my way to the exit sign. Traveling is a great way to meet new people. I am showing my ID at the gate desk. The airport security line is not very long today. I enjoy the snacks in the terminal food area. The security officer checked my bag with great care. I am very ready for my overseas trip now. The airplane is very clean and very well maintained. I am watching a movie on the small screen. The airport has a very helpful information kiosk center. I am eager to reach my cozy hotel room. The airport connects many families across the whole world. I am reading the boarding pass for my seat. The security check helps everyone have a safe journey. I enjoy the architecture of the airport terminal building. The airport is a place for many happy endings. I am traveling for a special holiday this year. The airport is the gateway to my dream vacation. I am getting my bag ready for the trip. The security gate is very easy to find here. I enjoy the busy energy of the main terminal. The airport staff makes our travel experience very smooth. I am showing my boarding pass to the attendant. The security area is very orderly and calm today. I enjoy the range of shops in the terminal. The airport terminal feels very safe and very welcoming. I am very pleased with my travel choice today. The plane arrived safely at the busy local airport. I am looking for my transport to the city. The airport staff helped me find my way around. I am happy to have arrived at my destination. Traveling by plane is a truly amazing life experience.